Yo, what's up? Me again. Newest flip. We just added to the inventory. We bought it on Friday, which was actually my birthday, so happy birthday to me. This is it's gonna be a quick flip for us. So 3 weeks, we're gonna have it back on the market. You see it's a vinyl siding house on a slab. Roof's in good shape. There are some little things up there that we're gonna have patched. So we're spending $600 just to get it patched because that's something that's gonna come up on inspection anyway. So we're just gonna go ahead and make them feel good about the roof they got. Now it does have some concern about if they see patches, they may think the whole roof needs to be changed. So we got this little fireplace to work with. So I'm doing this from my partner Clay Popham, and he's got some good ideas for this. But this is not a built-in fireplace. It's like a off-the-shelf fireplace. They just stuck in there and then kind of encased it in that peach-colored tile, and then threw some stucco style drywall up there. They did the stucco style on it. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's about 1,650 square foot. I wish you could smell it. They had a Great Dane in here, and oh man, it smells bad. I think you just peed on all the walls. So this is the kitchen. It's actually, the cabinets are in really good shape. Cherry cabinets look pretty good. See this countertop we're actually going to change out. About $2,000 to change this thing out. Just make it some granite, white granite. Get a new sink. Keep the appliances. As you can see, the power got turned off, and in St. Tammany, getting the power on is never very easy if they have a septic tank. So if they have septic, you got to get it inspected, so they got to come out. Most likely you're going to fail the first inspection. Then you got to fix whatever's wrong with it, and they're going to come back out. So this is the laundry room, and it is massive. It would make an awesome office. You got the washer dryer would go there, and then maybe like a built-in desk and a bunch of shelves over there. Check out the back door real quick. It's gonna be fun landscaping this. That's the little pump house for the well. That's the neighbor's house. That little shed needs to get refloored. This deck is in bad shape. The ground back here is just kind of washing away. And so you see the 4x4 isn't resting on anything. So we're gonna either have to pull up these deck boards and basically repost the deck and sink some longer 4x4s into the ground and concrete, or we're gonna have to raise up the those footings and put some dirt on there, which that seems impossible. So we'll probably end up redecking this thing, which sucks. Oh. Mama likes that kitchen. All right, so outside, got some French doors here to move into the dining room. Let's check out the back of the house. Hopefully we'll have power tomorrow because the painter's coming tomorrow. She's getting started. So a little bedroom here. It's a nice bedroom. These floors may look nice on camera, but they're actually pretty bad. You can see watermarks, where they just kind of bubble up because of the composite wood material they're using. So we're gonna have to change the floors, sadly. When we first looked at the house, we budgeted the rehab. We didn't put floors in because they looked good. Well, then the guy moved out and we started seeing, like you can see here. So this is like all over the place. It's just hard to see on camera. Master bath, good size. And then the half bath. It's a full bath with the hall bath. It's dark. So yeah, that's what we got. We're getting the painters in here tomorrow. They should be done by the end of the week. Countertops coming in on Thursday. And then hardwood floors coming in the next week. And then last minute touches that week and the week after. And we should have it on the market in 3 weeks. So that's the newest flip. What's up, Ricky? Hey man, you need a floor job? All right, thanks for watching, guys. Later.